Hey everyone, and welcome to week 9 of our quantitative reasoning class. So this week, in your 8F video, you were introduced to your Unit 3 mini project. We are going to have time to work on that on Tuesday, along with moving on to our previews for 9A and 9C. We'll practice those on Thursday and then look at lessons 10A and 11A previews. You guys will have a couple videos to watch for homework. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure you complete this Unit 3 activity quiz, Lesson 8A and 8B quiz. Again, remember you can take these as many times as you would like to achieve or practice that material. Achieve the grade you would like or continue to practice that material. This system will keep your highest grade, so you don't have to worry about it going down. Let's quickly take a look at your Unit 3 mini project. So again, this is started to discuss it in 8F. You're going to be using this picture to estimate the size of a crowd. So you're going to be playing 3 roles in this mini project. You're going to be the media director for candidate A. Then you're going to be the media director for the opposition party for candidate A. And then you're going to be a neutral party. You're going to do several estimates for the size of the crowd, and then you're going to report out for each role. It's going to be extremely important that you provide 2 estimates, so one for pro candidate A, one against candidate A, and then you'll have a neutral reporting out for your third. You can print the directions here. They are also found in your notebook. And it's going to be super important that you are providing an estimate for each party and that you are supporting your work. So please make sure you are showing all the mathematics on how you arrived at your estimations. Again, we'll have time to talk about that on Tuesday. And that you're writing a press release for each individual party. Don't forget to check over the rubric so you know if you're on the right track and how to get the most points possible for each category. If you have any questions in the meantime, please reach out. Otherwise, I will see you guys on Tuesday.